What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this morning update, let's take a look at Tesla stock, guys. We'll do the price action analysis and let's identify the levels that for the upside or and to the downside. If Tesla can confirm some of these levels, you can expect that direction to continue either to the upside or to the downside. But most importantly, I want to focus on, can Tesla by the end of the day, through the intraday, can it become bullish? So let's take a look at all that price action and the levels in this video. And I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. So I want to really quickly start off with the 5 minutes interval over here. And very quickly, if we can get above today this level of $157.24, this is the zone of hourly interval here and the day trading levels plus. Seems like Tesla is trying to regain that. That's great to see. And above this, we can start becoming intraday up, right? Intraday long. The thing is that for Tesla, by the end of the day, let's go to the hourly interval actually. The reason I want to start off with the 5 minutes is because you can see on hourly interval we have been plummeting. Now, if we can close above the significant level of $160 by the end of the day today, that may bring some life back into the Tesla stock. To tomorrow, maybe some upside continuation. So it's very important to see the price action at 160 if it gets above it, or if it finds rejection over here and continues lower. So it all depends on how Tesla would eventually, through the intraday levels, which is one of the levels around 157 and above, and if it can regain 160 by the end of the day. So on the daily, you can see, well, we just turned green, well, at the time I'm doing this video, and this is the morning update. So yeah, guys, this is the thing. $160 level is what you gotta be watching. If Tesla can close the day above that, that's awesome. Then we can talk about, okay, this could be the one last bottom candle, and we can expect some continuation to the upside for the rest of the week. Otherwise, no, there's more chance of, if we can't regain that intraday level that I showed you and 160, if we can't regain it by the end of the day, this thing will continue lower. So let me take you back again to the 5 minutes interval actually. Yeah, so it all comes down to this area. If we can hold 156 and 75 cents and 157.25 cents, if we can get above that, then there's a possibility for the continuation to the upside. And so what shall we make out of Tesla here, guys? This thing has been just plummeting here, right? Look at it, still in a clean bloodbath. Well, that's what it is, right? We have to see if the structure changes over here, right? So yeah, on hourly interval right now, we are not seeing any uptrend. I'm still seeing lower highs, lower lows, but if we can close a little bit strong, form some higher lows here, start forming some pivots, that is what we want to see. So it all depends how today's day will close, if we can regain something back today, or we gonna stay rejected to the downside. Technically, the strength would not come on Tesla stock right now unless it's not able to recapture 160 and above. Okay, that's the very important place that Tesla needs to catch up on today. If we want to see continuation to the upside, 4 hours interval, the same thing, looking weak right now, but all depends on if we can regain those areas that I talked about. Cool. So yeah, it's unfortunate, guys, how low the Tesla is right now, and yeah, let's wait and watch what happens. Other than that, QQQ and SPY is a little bit of a green thing today, which is fine. After a huge sell-off, you can expect some, bounce and rebound come and then a sell-off. You can see any bearish engulfing candle is followed by some pullbacks or rebounds back to the upside, and then we continue to fall, right? And let's see, let's see SPY. SPY is red so far, but again, my thesis on QQ and SPY is that will continue lower. Let's see how low we can go. Nvidia, I will be doing another video on this later today. Well, not just later today, I'll be doing morning update as well. So I'll talk about that there. And yeah, so only level to watch right now is on Tesla. I just want to repeat here because it's important. The only level to watch here on Tesla is very important. If we can regain above 157 range, which is 157.24 cents, and not losing 153 and 77 cents today. And so if we can close between 156 and 160, that's good enough, but it's not going to make it bullish. If we can close the day above 160, that will show some light back in Tesla stock. Otherwise, right now, guys, it's not that fully confirmed bullish. It is in other words, you can see it's in the downtrend. In other words, it's not showing us any change back to the upside, not even the structure beginning to change to the upside, unless that's not happening. $160 levels, if you're not able to capture that. Cool. Well, guys, quick update. That's all for the morning video. As I said, I'll be doing other videos later today, and Tesla's update will be coming out even when the market has closed as well. I'll do another video on this, talking about how things are looking like for tomorrow here on. All right, one more thing, guys, before just wrapping up. So on QQ and SPY, actually, so importantly, I just want to show you the hourly intervals as well. And yeah, so far, I mean, we are below 20, 50, and 200 hours moving average. So if any rebound comes, that have highly likelihood of continuing lower. QQ is not looking bullish as long as it's not above 435. I mean, it's not still going to be bullish. It's just that it's not even showing sign of turning into bullishness as long as it's not recapturing 435. And similarly with SPY is very feeble rebound and is selling off. SPY is not bullish. Structural change on SPY we can only say structure change is happening on SPY if at least if today it can regain 508 or 510, which unlikely is going to happen. So, all right, those are my opinions, guys, here as for the market right now. And let's see if Tesla a little bit selling off. So right now again. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to see. Yeah, so it's it's rejecting at 157. Let's see if it pulls back and goes up. But yeah, you have the levels to watch. Okay, all right, guys, bye.